Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete a folder in Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete a folder in your Terabox app, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, and after landing on this screen you can see there are a bunch of icons available for us at the bottom of the screen where it says Home, Files and Share. Tap on the Files button at the bottom middle section of the screen and you'll land over here where you will be able to view all of your files and folders. Now in order to proceed to delete a folder in Terabox, simply tap and hold on the folder which you want to delete, and after the tick mark at the right side of that folder which you want to delete appears, you can see there is the menu available for us at the bottom of the screen, and on the menu at the bottom of the screen at the middle there is the delete button available for us. Tap on the delete button at the middle of the screen, middle of the options at the bottom of the screen, and tap on delete. And with that being done guys, your folder will be deleted from your Terabox app and it will be sent to the recycle bin where after 10 days it will be permanently deleted. And with that being said guys, this is how to delete folder in Terabox app, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.